Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDXG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, but some updates here definitely need to be made. First update comes based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.35 as a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, you ideally want to see it act as support. I say ideally because if the price does fall below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined at that point or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it and continue to stay above it, I use the word continue because you can see this afternoon, the bears tried on a couple occasions to break down through there. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls have been doing a good job of holding strong. So if that continues to happen, then yeah, that's going to make the chart look the absolute healthiest going forward. But from a big picture perspective, so if you're saying, Clay, look, I just care about the health of the overall move, this right here being defined as the move. So Clay, how can I just quickly and easily gauge the strength of that, the health of it? And that's where the purple line here comes into play. As I talked about yesterday, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher and higher. So the very simplistic way to look at this and gauge the health of the move is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control of the overall chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not going to talk about any of those right now at this point. The reason being, in my opinion at least, the top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance and not even close to being a top priority. Top priority is just go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, because as this chart has already shown, when the price builds higher bases like it's been doing, the long-term chart takes care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice day today, very nice past couple of days. And as long as those stair steps keep getting higher and higher, the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.